Today I'll be making some homemade pancake. So this is my plate and I'm gonna add some flour to it. That's the flour, and I'm gonna add small amount of cornmeal. I'm gonna add a little salt to give it taste. Gonna add some baking powder for it to rise and to make it soft. I'm gonna add some raisin. I'm gonna add a little sugar to give it that sweetness. Then I'm gonna use my spoon to mix it. So I've added some water and I've mixed it. And so I'm gonna allow it to set for about 15 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna place my pot to hot. I'm gonna add small amount of oil to grease the pot after it has heated. Then I'm gonna add some of the pancake. So this is my pancake and I'm gonna turn it over. So I'm gonna remove this pancake from the pot. This is the next one, and I'm gonna flip it. There you go. So I'm gonna remove the pancake from the pot. So there are my pancakes ready to eat.